Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're embarking on a fascinating journey to uncover some surprising facts about the world's most productive countries. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on our intriguing content. Our first stop is South Korea, known for its incredible productivity. What's surprising? Despite being at the top, South Korea boasts surprisingly short work hours. How do they manage it? Stick around to find out. Next up, we're headed to the Netherlands, where they're experimenting with a 4-day work week. Can reduced hours lead to higher productivity? Let's explore the Dutch approach. Now let's talk about Germany and its impressive manufacturing sector. Precision, innovation, and high-quality products, the driving forces behind Germany's economic output. Stay tuned to unravel the manufacturing magic. Heading to Asia, Singapore stands out for its commitment to technology. Smart city initiatives, digital innovation, and efficient infrastructure play a pivotal role. What sets Singapore apart in the tech world? We'll find out. Switzerland, a hub of innovation. How does the country's emphasis on research and technology contribute to productivity? Stick around to discover Switzerland's secrets to staying ahead. There you have it, folks. 10 surprising facts about the world's most productive countries. If you found these insights as intriguing as I did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more captivating content. Thanks for joining the journey, and until next time, stay curious.